Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing, and once you've done that, please leave a like. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of changing your birth date on TikTok. Whether you entered your birth date incorrectly or want to update it for privacy reasons, it's important to ensure your information is accurate. Let's get started. First, find your TikTok app and launch it. And on the TikTok homepage, you can see at the bottom right of your screen profile. Tap it. After that, find the three horizontal lines at the top right of your screen and tap it. After tapping it, hit Settings and Privacy. In this section, tap Account. Now we are on the Account section. Tap on User Information. Now you can see here your phone number, email, and date of birth. Tap on the date of birth. In here, you can now change your birth date. Reminder, once you change your birth date, you cannot edit it for a long time. So, change it carefully so you can make your adjustments right. After changing your birth date, tap Confirm. Congratulations! You have successfully changed your birth date on TikTok. Remember, providing accurate information is essential for privacy and safety reasons. Now you can enjoy using TikTok with the updated birth date on your account. If you have any further questions or encounter any issues, feel free to ask. Happy TikToking!